In this video, I will show how to create drop-down list in Microsoft Excel. So select your data and data. In data tool, click data validation. Click on OK. So click here data validation. And click on OK. Now click here and in the data tab, click here drop down this data tool, click on OK. So select any cell where you want to add drop down list and click on data. Here click on data tool, data validation, and here select list source. So select it, then press enter. Now click on OK. Now here you can see the drop down list. So thanks for watching.